Alright guys, so the reason I'm doing this post is I'm trying to figure out why my computer kind of has some sort of static electricity sound. So right now you can hear that it's completely quiet, but as soon as I try to connect my HDMI cable from my MacBook, which is plugged into my speakers, and connecting it to my PC, you start to hear some kind of electricity static sound. So you can hear it right now because it's plugged in, plugged out, plugged in again, and plugged out. So yeah, just trying to understand why the hell that is. I've had this for like years, this issue for years, at least 2 years, and I just never played sound through my PC because of this.